Alright, boys and girls, here we are again.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video, this time of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
It did it, other than throwing a lot of turn signals on me. Make it. And I'm going to disengage because there are the pieces of wood in this.
Oh, no worries. I'm still getting used to being in the air. First flight of the day.
No worries.
Is it 27 degrees? It's 27 degrees. There it is.
I was like, no, it's 45 degrees.
There.
No one pulls next to us. I might kind of dip around it as best I can.
Oh, no worries.
I would have gotten in that lane.
Actually, you can kind of see it from my perspective.
It looks like someone already hit it once because it's moved.
Looks like that one's still
That's
there.
right. Well, and it's moved.
Yeah.
Now it's more. I mean, someone ran over it at some point. Start saying, Christmas.
Well, considering that it's January. Doggone Sci-Fi.
No, I know, but
Yeah.
I was thinking it because this one, for some reason,
because
Christmas
apparently
popped up. Yeah.
because of, yes.
No, just leave it. It's.
Oh, back
Okay,
and
not everything needs to be fixed. You're fine. I was just making a joke.
Our viewers won't hear that, though.
All right, let's let him go around. And I think I can
Just
thread the needle.
Thread the needle, it'll be fine.
I did it.
There you go. And then re-engage. We were navigating around some broken wood there, viewers. Loud car.
That just doesn't sound healthy. Like, when I think of a car and I hear that, I think, oh, something's wrong.
People like it.
I know. It's kind of like people that drive motorcycles and like the loud motorcycles.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because of my job, I'm just around noise all the day.
Oh, I'm around it all day, too. The air conditioners on that truck are so noisy.
We're just like, I don't want more noise.
You're like, last thing I want.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm glad you're not filming the backseat camera today because my hair is not done and it's a hot mess in the back.
Yeah. Plus, the front camera angle's a better view anyway.
It really is. I remember when you were trying to do that and I was like, it's okay. Right to go straight?
Right? Can you help a brother out?
Brother?
Thank you.
Okay.
I forgot to put my hat on the opposite. Forgot to actually utilize my hat.
I'm gonna get in the right lane so that we can let people around us.
Sounds good.
People are just in a hurry today.
I'm doing fine on speed, by the way.
Oh yeah. We're going the speed limit. Plus, if I get over here, it won't try to dive left.
Dive to the
Yeah.
left lane, yeah. That has been a known issue. Haven't seen it yet on 11.49.
Oh, we've only
Actually,
had
wait a minute. No, that's not entirely true.
I was gonna say, we've only had 11.49 for
And the first time
24 hours.
and the first time I took 11.49 out, I drove my car in sporty mode because I just got it back from service.
Service.
Service. Service. Tesla's service.
Is it top A service?
What would you rate Tesla service? Maybe like 3 stars.
It's not the Jiffy Lube experience, but it's also not the Ferrari experience.
This is going to sound harsh. Coming from this former BMW owner, it's not the BMW experience.
See, that's my point.
But ironically enough, I didn't have to pay for it. So if I didn't have to pay for it, then I guess, do you bitch about it? It's kind of like the Toyota experience.
Well, you do have to pay for it in the sense that you're making payments on the car.
Yeah.
You have a warranty for a reason.
Seems like a good spot as any. Oh, Lord, what did I just bump?
Just fly the thing. We'll figure it out later. Just fly the thing. Figure it out later. I mean, Grace shut down. I'm thinking, should I get over? Slow down to let them pass. If we can get over. Rivian. Or is that a Bronco? Oh no, it's a Rivian.
R1S? Or was it?
Yeah, this SUV.
Oh, nice. It looked like a white one then.
Yeah. I like how I have a hard time telling them apart because the headlights look just like the Bronco.
Yeah. They do look very similar.
Let's not drive through that because that is glass. There you go. And we're getting right to go left.
So it's going to choose the right lane and then immediately have to get back over into the left lane
Yes.
again? Nice. As you can see, viewers, it's not this turns that we need to take. But it's coming up soon. It's this one right here.
And there's no reason to go right.
And there's no reason to be in the right lane because we do not have any traffic behind us.
Good. It slowed for oncoming traffic. That makes me feel safe. Right. Giving it the little go. Excellent. See if it dives into the turn lane too soon. Got these?
Yep.
Let's not dive into this lane because there's trash everywhere.
Well, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doug on Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. Thanks for tuning in. If you're liking it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.
Let it do it. A little shaky.
Definitely.